Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I float my curb. Now, I have a few steps that some people might not do here, but so this is how I do it. So the way I do my curb is after I put my liner in, I add mesh and I screw it in on one side. I kind of form it to the curb and I screw it in on the outside, but you're not supposed to screw it on the inside. And some of the guys that do this, they attach the board on the inside and they use screws. Of course, you're not supposed to do that. So anyway, so what I do is I put the liner over, I put the mesh, and it goes down to the floor here to touch the liner, and then I add the shower pan and it holds it in place, and then you just kind of float the concrete over it. I use two finishing trowels for this. Concrete's in a kind of not super liquidy, but it's got a build to it. So I'm just gonna add it there. You also, when you do this, you want to have a little bit of a pitch into the shower. Just a slight 1/4 inch per foot. So at this distance, it's only 4 inches. So at that distance, it's like a 1/16 of an inch. But you don't want it to go outside the shower. I marked a line here on the bottom, which is where I want it to end, because the mosaic that's going on the shower floor, it's gonna go up just a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch before. So I marked a line where I want to build out the float of the concrete. So yeah. So what you do is you kind of hold it in place where you want the line to be. And I just kind of move it out. Sometimes what happens, it starts doing that. You just have to come back with the trowel and just touch it up. A lot of times when I do this, I try to mix the right amount of concrete. It's usually always more than needed, but I think this time it might not be enough. Which, it's never fun when you have to go back outside and mix it more. I'm pressing it into this little groove where the fold is and the vent shield, so I can push it up in there. Okay. I just skim the top here. And I have to make sure that I have a little pitch. Now I'm just gonna fix it up. That's basically it. So yeah, the curb's done. And then tomorrow, well, it's hard, and it's ready to be curbed. Okay, and that's a done deal. I put the pieces back in place to show you what it looks like, and the curb is done. Whoa. Almost died.